Take a ride in the 2023 Toyota Mirai. Toyota Mirai runs solely on hydrogen, and its only emissions are water. It's environmentally friendly with a great driving range and is a pleasure to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.